So you've seen break and continue. Now let me teach you about yet another statement which you've seen, but this one allows you to end the execution of a method that does not returns anything, i.e. void. So in here you saw that if the name starts with A, we go back the loop with continue, and then we carry on printing the rest of the names. So if I run this again, in case you forgot, we have Jamila, Jones, and Matt. But here, have a look. Name starts with A. So if the name starts with A, let's say that we want to come out of this method all completely, i.e. so here, if I just say, for example, south end of main method. So here we are within public static void main. So this should be familiar. So if I run this once more, have a look. We have end of main method. So even though this prints with a continue, skipping Andre as well as Ali, but it prints Jamila, Jones, Matt, and then end of main method. Now let's say that if, so here, as soon as we encounter one name that starts with A, we want to exit this method all completely, i.e. this method called main. So how do we do it? So for that, let me just basically swap these around. So just a little bit. So Jamila will come first. So what I want to do is now, as soon as we have one method that starts with A, to exit this main method completely, I can just use the return keyword. So you saw the return keyword, which is used to return values when you have the return type in here, for example, integer or a string or any other data type. But when it's void, the return keyword is used to exit out of the method altogether. If I run this, the output should just be Jamila. Have a look. So even though we have at the very bottom end of main method, this never happens because we exit right here, line 17, we exit the method altogether. So this is the use of the return keyword. So maybe you've got some business logic going on, and as soon as you reach a condition, then maybe you don't basically want to carry on doing whatever comes after. So this is when you use the return keyword. If you have any questions, drop me a message. Otherwise, catch me on the next one.